slivered, eh? Ready?
Yes.
Today we're making another vegan pesto that I'm guessing you've never had, so stay tuned.
Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie. Welcome to Pizza with Plants. What are we doing today?
Today we are making a brand new pesto we've never had. It is from the Calabria region of Italy, which makes up the boot, the very, very southern tip. And it doesn't have basil. It gets its primary flavor. Oh wait, you were going to talk about that.
I was going to say that.
Yeah, she wanted to do the easy big stuff and then leave me with all of the intricate details.
I just forget what those are called, those peppers.
I understand. Big words.
Anyway, there's no pesto. You'll notice there's no basil in our pesto. Let's say it that way.
Yes, that's better.
So we're going to roast our red peppers, and then we're going to mix in our follow your heart parmesan, and this has ricotta in it. This Kite Hill ricotta is really, really good.
Tasty. And it's made in Portland, Oregon, not too far from here.
Oregon local. Now you can go over the hard stuff like garlic and sun-dried tomatoes and
that's very difficult.
Pine nuts.
Yes. So it does have some of the other traditional ingredients that you would expect. We've got some garlic in it. We're going to add in some sun-dried tomatoes to kind of give it a deep, rich, robust flavor. Got our olive oil, and then we do have, to give it a little bit of a heat, we have some Calabrian chili paste. We pick it up, you can get it at Whole Foods. So, and then we're doing a blend of toasted pine nuts and slivered almonds. So I am super excited.
Oh, I can't see the slivered almonds in there.
Well, they're hiding.
They're underneath. They're in there.
Yes.
Promise.
Yeah.
You'll see them.
So, and we're going to put this on a yummy pizza very, very soon. So let's make some pesto.
All right.
Okay.
Let's get started with those peppers first. Grab your olive oil and drizzle olive oil all over the peppers, and then either use your hands or a brush to get them completely covered all the way around. And then get those into the oven. While the peppers are doing their thing, we're gonna go ahead and get our pine nuts and slivered almonds toasted up. Get your pan nice and warm, throw those nuts in there and swirl them around and stir them up until they turn a nice golden brown. The roasted red peppers are about halfway done and the skins are looking nice and blistered and kind of that charcoal black. So we're gonna go ahead and get these turned so that the other side can get done as well. The peppers look great and they are ready to rock and roll. We're gonna get those out of the oven, and you wanna get these into some sort of a container where you can seal them, because that's going to kind of steam them a little bit while they're still warm, and this will make removing the skins a lot easier. So we let the roasted red peppers sit in that covered bowl for a good 30 to 35 minutes, which again really is going to help peeling the skins. I like to wear gloves. You don't have to wear gloves if you don't want, but just kind of slowly and methodically get the skin peeled off as well as you can. A little bit left on it isn't going to hurt anybody. And then I like to pop the top and then just scrape some of the seeds out, and you should be good to go. So all of our ingredients are ready for the pesto, so we're going to start with getting our toasted nuts and garlic chopped up until they're kind of a really fine mince. Now that our nuts and garlic are nice and minced up, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. We're going to start with our roasted red pepper. Next will be our vegan parmesan and almond milk ricotta, then our sun-dried tomatoes, then that amazing Calabrian chili paste, and finally our salt, pepper, and nutritional yeast. get the top on it and get that mixed up. The pesto looks and smells amazing. We're just going to pause for a quick minute to scrape down the sides, and then we're going to get ready to add the oil. Get your food processor going again, and then do a slow drizzle of your olive oil. Not too fast, because you really want it to incorporate in. Let that go for a little bit, and the finished result is stunning. I cannot wait to see how this tastes.
What do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
I literally wish that you were here with us because we would serve you. This, yeah, it looks awesome.
Looks really good. I can't wait to use it on our pizza.
Yes, we're going to eat this on a pizza, but we thought we have to eat it. So what better way than to have it on some crostini? Yeah. So should I be quiet?
Yep, I made the bigger piece.
Okay.
I cut them and staged them specifically.
I see how you work.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. That's
bonkers.
That's fire. As the youngsters say, that is fire.
So good. I feel like the roasted red pepper with the Calabrian pepper is like deep and hot, but not too hot. Did you take one bite that big?
Yes, I did. Yes.
Apparently you liked it. This is my bite.
I think that's mine.
Yeah, that's what you always do.
This is so good.
It's really flavorful.
You get the sweet from the red pepper, and then as Katie shared, on the back end you get a little bit of that Calabrian, the peppers that we put in it.
The heat.
And then if you can hear, Oliver and Bailey are fighting because
they want to try it next.
They want to try it next.
Yeah.
So
and the toasty of the almonds and the pine nuts. It's just very. Well, it's a very well-rounded pesto.
Yes, and also I think the ricotta makes it creamier than
a normal pesto.
Yeah, it's
really good.
It's really
we could use
tasty.
this a variety of different ways. Even just like this is amazing, much less on pizza or with pasta or with vegetables, roasted vegetables. It would be really good.
I literally think Bon Appetit is knocking at the door.
I think I hear them.
Yeah, Bobby Flay who? Get some of this. This was really good.
It was really good.
Nicely done.
Keep her recipe.
Yes, keep her.
All right.
All right.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya.